Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be sharing with you the latest and greatest Amazon deals. If you're looking for some great deals, make sure to watch this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Executive Office Chair Ergonomic Big and Tall Home Computer Desk Chair. Executive Office Chair Ergonomic Big and Tall Home Computer Desk Chair with lumbar support, PU leather, high back, adjustable height swivel. Executive Office Chair is available in black or white. Prices start at $99.99 for the Executive Office Chair. Original price, $130.0, now discounted 40% to $78.0. Number 2. Hoomace Humidifiers for Home Bedroom. This ultrasonic humidifier has 3 different mist levels to meet your different humidity requirements. The top fill humidifier wide inlet is good for easy pouring of water and also makes the insides easier to access. The house humidifier can make moisture-loving plants more vibrant and prolong the life of wooden floors or furniture. Original price, $39.99, now discounted 50% to $19.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 3. Stress Relief Footballs Funny Gag Gift. Bonus with 2 stress relief balls. Made of 100% polyurethane, these balls are durable. You can squeeze them as hard as you can to relieve your stress. The balls are made of 100% polyurethane. They are made to last for up to 2 years. Original price, $12.99, now discounted 50% to $6.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 4. Kitgo Waterproof First Aid Kit with Essential Emergency Medical Supplies. Compact First Aid Kit is equipped with a foldable and detachable 5-compartment liner that divides the area of first aid supplies. It can help you protect, treat, emergency, etc. at the first time. Perfect for professional practitioners such as doctors, nurses, medical students, and also for family members, colleagues, and friends. Original price, $45.99, now discounted 51% to $22.53. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 5. Bemece Stroller Rain Cover. Bemece Universal Stroller Rain Cover is made of EVA thin film which can be used directly for food packaging. It is non-toxic and environmentally friendly. It is a must-have item for parents to travel with their babies, which can protect your baby from rain, snow, wind, dust, and give them the best care. Original price, $16.8, now discounted 50% to $8.4. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 6. Hansleep Wearable Blanket Hoodie for Men and Women. Hoodie blanket with pockets and sleeve sweatshirt for adults as a gift. Hansleep Wearable Blanket Hoodies made of cozy flannel and sherpa that are both suitable for adults and kids. It's a perfect gift for your loved ones on special days like birthdays, Christmas, Thanksgiving Day, and other special occasions, which would go beyond their expectations. Original price, $32.99, now discounted 40% to $19.79. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 7. USLADYFONG Pedicure Stool with LED Magnifier. The unique design makes it more convenient for you to apply nails and pedicure at home. There are 6 holes on the pedicure footrest. You can put your nail tools and polish in them. Also, there's a storage box on the right side to put all kinds nail painting tools. Original price, $39.99, now discounted 50% to $19.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 8. MHW3 Bomber Coffee Scale with Timer, Small Food Scale Digital Weight Grams, and ES5801. The digital kitchen scale has a frosted surface that is waterproof, scratch-resistant, and cleans up with a wipe of a cleaning cloth. Equipped with a silicone pad, heat insulation, and anti-hot. USB charging port, 1,600 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. The battery can last for 10 hours. Original price, $39.9, now discounted 40% to $23.94. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 9. NUTCRUST Flush Mount Low Profile Ceiling Fan with Light and Bluetooth Speaker. The recessed low-profile ceiling fan light with top cover is perfect for kids' rooms and loft beds, or rooms with low ceilings. The fully enclosed structure keeps you and your family safe from rotating blades and adds beauty to the room with an innovative design. App and remote control sleep timer. The light, white light, neutral light, warm light, and intensity can be adjusted freely through the remote control. Original price, $199.98, now discounted 55% to $89.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 10. Razor Scooter E200 Electric Scooter. Motor, 200 watt, high torque, chain driven. Battery, 24V, 212V, sealed lead acid, rechargeable. Features rear-wheel drive for increased traction and control. Runtime, up to 40 minutes of continuous ride time. Original price, $309.99, now discounted 64% to $108.5. Number 11. Countertop Ice Maker Machine 6 minutes 9 bullet ice, 26.5 pounds per 24 hours. Self-cleaning ice maker's countertop will ensure that every ice drink you make is healthy. This portable ice maker countertop is equipped with a new condensing technology and a silent fan. It operates at a low noise level of less than 45 decibels, making it a quiet addition to your home that won't disturb your daily life. Original price, $119.99, now discounted 35% to $77.99. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. Number 12. Nail Drills for Acrylic Nails, Portable Nail Drills for Acrylic Nails. Nail drill machine contains 11 kinds of metal bits and 6 sanding bands. It is perfect for nail buffing, filing the shape of various nails, and smoothing calluses or hardened skin on your hands and feet. Low heat, low noise, super low vibration, powerful and smooth. Original price, $46.99, now discounted 50% to $23.49. With coupon code in the description below, you can apply the code during checkout. That's all for today. Notice that most of the coupon code of the deals can be expired very soon, so be sure to subscribe to catch up-to-date offers. If you're looking for something specific, just let me know in the comments below and we'll keep an eye out for it. See you next time.